If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be making buffalo chicken dip.
Thank you, Jessica, for this recipe idea.
So for this recipe, you'll need about a pound of chicken, half a cup of ranch dressing, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of hot sauce, and then an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. So I'm going to start off by putting some oil in the pan and just moving it around the pan. And then I'm going to grab the garlic and just throw the garlic on and let that cook up just a little bit. Next, after that's started sizzling up a little bit, I'm going to add the chicken. We don't want the temperature to be too high because we want the chicken to be nice and tender. Probably should have used a bigger pan. But I'll just cover it up and that way it'll cook all the way through. While that's cooking, I'm going to get my other pan and turn that onto a low heat, probably medium. I'm going to open up my sour cream and put my sour cream in the pan. And then I'm going to add the milk and the ranch. And the hot sauce. I'm gonna let that cook until the chunks of cream cheese melt. So once the buffalo sauce, all of the cream cheese has melted in it, then I'm gonna get some cheddar cheese and just throw a tiny bit of cheddar cheese in there and let that melt. You can add more hot sauce or less hot sauce depending on your spice level. And just when everything's mixed up, you're gonna add the chicken after the chicken's fully cooked, but first you're gonna shred it. So to shred the chicken, I'm just gonna grab a fork and just kind of stick it in and pull it out. It's kind of hot. Hang on, let me grab 2 forks. Now I have 2 forks because it's hot. I'm just gonna grab it and just comb the fork like you're combing your hair. For the ladies, you know that. And then just let it, I guess men know how to comb their hair too. Just comb it on through until it's all shredded. And you're going to do that for every piece of chicken. So once the meat is shredded, you're going to put it in. So now you can add parsley or green onions or chives or whatever you wish. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. You're going to turn your oven to 350. And now once that's all made, you're going to put the contents of this into the baking pan. And you're going to add the cheddar cheese. And the mozzarella cheese. oven has been preheated. You're gonna put it into the oven and bake for 25 minutes. So when it's done, you're gonna pull it out of the oven. You're gonna let it cool for 15 minutes. There's the finished product. One.
Hope you enjoyed.